My husband said it was okay. I believe I trust him more than anything. He said that's the way that I should
Hey,
go.
you know what? I'm not.
I understand.
It's wild how far you can get in life without actually listening, and this woman is the perfect example. The judge is spelling out the simplest things, the lawyer is breaking it down in plain English, and she still can't hold on to a single instruction. Every answer is kind of, and every explanation has to be repeated, and she keeps reverting to her own narrative. Listening isn't optional in situations like this, and she just can't do it.
Allowing a licensed person to drive. She didn't go to jail, Your Honor. She said she moved up from Texas. She tried to get her license here, but she needs her birth certificate from Texas, which is, and she's going to move back to Texas. But the bottom line is she'll plead to allowing, so this won't go on her record up here, or on her driving record anyway. But she didn't spend any time in jail, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Thornton, are you there?
Yes.
Okay. Being offered an amended charge for allowing an unlicensed person to operate a vehicle does carry a penalty of up to 93 days in jail and a fine of up to $500, but does not carry licensing sanctions. It's alleged occurred City of Flushing, September 13th, 2025. Do you understand the charge?
No, I don't understand. He said something about September 13th and something about jail.
I didn't say anything about that, Miss. You're charged with driving while license suspended. I said you can plead to allowing, and it wouldn't.
Yes, I do allow paying a small fine.
I said most likely it'd be a small fine, but you got to listen to the judge if you want to plead guilty. If not, we can set it for trial.
Right.
Okay,
And
to be honest, you're explaining it to me. It's just a lot of big words I'm not understanding. So can y'all kind of like dumb it down too, so I could understand it?
Ma'am, you're being offered an amended charge to allowing an unlicensed person to operate. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Carries a penalty of up to 93 days in jail and a fine of up to $500. That's the possible penalties. Do you understand that?
Kind of.
Kind of. Well, ma'am, if I could order jail, I'm not saying I'm doing that, but that's what the penalties are as far as what you're pleading to. That's a possibility. And I'm not saying I'm doing that, but you could spend up to 93 days in jail.
I kind of can't spend up to 93 days in jail.
Miss
Hold
Thornton.
on. I
Miss Thornton, if you're not willing to plead, we'll just set it for trial. You
No.
come down.
No, I'm saying I just can't spend time at jail. I've
Ma'am,
literally
I'm not gonna negotiate, and I'm not saying I'm ordering.
I thought I was just paying a small fee. I didn't mind doing that.
You're not listening to me.
I'm sorry, Judge.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm saying the same thing Mr. Childers saying. I'm not necessarily ordering the jail time, but that's the possible penalty.
Okay.
I indicated to you, Miss Thornton, that you didn't do any jail time, so there would most likely be a fine. I would ask for a lower fine because you were going back to Texas, but that's up to the judge, what your fine is, what your sentence is. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Okay, if you want to plead, then you have to go forward with the plea, and then we'll talk about what the sentence is after you plead.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is alleged to have occurred in the city of Flushing on September 13th, 2025. So September is when they are telling me this happened. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. This will give me the next, going through, Mr. Childers, maybe we can do it this way. Did you go through her rights with her?
Yes, Your Honor. Well, she heard the rights. She was on here, I think, Your Honor.
Okay.
You heard the rights earlier. Is that true, Miss Thornton?
Yes.
And actually, it looks like she signed the advice of rights as well. Did you read and understand those rights?
Kind of.
Okay, you can't say kind of, Miss Thornton. If you don't understand, we can't go ahead with the plea. So we have to set it for another court date.
I can't do that. I'm literally right now working a 59-hour shift this week. I just got done doing a double.
Miss Thornton, but if you don't understand what you're doing, you can't plead guilty.
Yeah, I'm not gonna let you plead if you're not understanding, so. If you're overworked right now.
With the small fine.
Okay,
I don't mind. I really don't.
Okay.
My husband said it was okay. I trust him more than anything. He said that's the way that I should go.
Hey, you know what? I'm not.
I understand. We'll set it for another pretrial, Miss Thornton.
Pretrial or leave on for jury trial date?
Jury trial might be better. Get her down in person, then somebody can
Yeah.
explain it to her.
It's December 18th at 8:30. It's in person. Ma'am, you gotta come down in person for me. Leave on for a jury trial date. Okay?
Alright.
All right, and you're all set.
Okay.